morality represents a cornerstone of Islamic values. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "I was sent to uphold and complement good character. This includes amiability, mercy, leniency, tolerance, and reconciling hearts, all while understanding the Creator's wisdom behind the inevitability of variance and diversity." These values are unfamiliar to extremism, even if it claims to know them. Extremism would distort them from their meanings and intentions, committing a heinous crime in the name of Islam. According to these noble and firm values in our moderate religion, any approach that results in the adverse repercussions of hatred and civilizational clash among nations and people is considered an extremist practice that requires religious and intellectual moderation to confront it and warn against its ramifications, which includes the danger of this approach escalating into violence and terrorism.